Hello friends, today I will teach you how to install Composer in Windows. So first we have to download the Composer. So we have to go getcomposer.org website, and here is the Composer website, and you can learn more thing from getting started, documentation issues about the Composer. You can download the Composer from the Download tab. Click on Download tab and it will open a new page. Here is the process to install Composer in Windows and other all the system like Mac or Linux. So we have to install in the Windows system. So we just simply need to download this composer setup.exe file. So let's download it. After successfully download, click on show in folder. You can see this composer setup.exe file. You have to double click on the website, on the setup, then install for all user. You will get the prompt and click on yes. uh, this will ask you about the install the developer mode or the simple continue. So you don't, if you are beginner, then please do not tick on developer mode because it's very complex to use if you are beginner. So you just need to click on next, and then this is your path to install the composer. So select the php, current php. You must have to install the php to use the composer. And this is my php installed in my pc, and this is the path. So click on next, and here is it installing composer. Now ignore this step and click on next, and here it's showing our latest php version. Click on install, and then this is complete the composer installation, and then click on finish button. Why you must have a php? Because a composer is a dependency manager for php, so you must have to install php in your system. And after the successfully install composer, you can use via command prompt. So type cmd in your windows main cmd, ये मेरा cmd open हो गया, and just type composer and enter. It will show you all the thing about the composer. So you can see like this. After successfully install composer version 226. सो ये हमारा कंपोजर इंस्टॉल हो गया है. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.